I've been working for Waterways Ireland for over 18 years. I'm on the maintenance crew. You could be on hedge cutting one day for a couple of weeks, you could be on grass cutting, you could be dredging, you could be rebuilding banks, kind of all that kind of general work for Waterways. My father also worked for Waterways Ireland, Ger O'Neill. He worked here before me. He did kind of all the grass cutting, general tractor work, so he did for Waterways as well. Mostly on a Saturday when we meet up, we'll end up talking about all the work that we did, where are we, what are we doing, how are things, and how are all the lads, as he knows most of the lads that works here, so he does.